Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope y'all are doing great. It's a great Thursday morning. Um, just took this trade on the Audusd 5-minute chart. Yes, 5 minutes today for me because now this is a high volume day. Choppy days, higher time frame, high volume days, lower time frame. So I am in this long trade of this area of friction and anticipating that price will push up into these highs over here. Trade running great, guys. Past our 1-to-1, maybe 1-to-1.5 or so. Looking great. About to protect this trade. This is a quick one, guys. I think I will take profit here, giving this 5-minute candle a little bit more of a run, and we'll see where it goes. All right. Ooh, momentum in that candle. Let's see, almost at 1-to-2. All right, guys, out of this trade right here, little scalp, 1-to-1.7. So yeah, just about 168. Nice little trade, quick little trade for the morning. This was like a, let's see, so 5 to 6, 27, just about 20 minutes. And we're out of the market for the day, and that's my trade for the day. Hope you all had a great trading day. Hope you all had a great trading week. This is it for me for the week. I've been on this win streak, and I'm thankful for it, but you know, we don't always win. so this is it. Hope you learned something from the trade. I continue to trade my friction zone. So I just found this friction zone over here. You can see how price reacted within this area, right? You can see it. That's an area of friction for me. I'm waiting for price to push above. Hold a minute. Let me take it back. That was the higher zone I was watching. Actually, this was the zone that I traded off of. I'm so sorry. All right, so price pushed above that zone right here at the 6 a.m. close, tapped back in, took long positions up into this area and took my profit. So that was it. Hope you learned something from this trade. Until next time, until next week, have a great Friday, have a great weekend, and see you all next time. Peace out.